What's up, guys? Saurabh here from Placement Season, and today we're diving into something that is genuinely changing the way the world works. We're talking about AI agents, and trust me, by the end of this, you're going to look at your workplace very differently. So let's start with the basics. What even is an AI agent? Because most people confuse it with a regular chatbot, and they're actually very different things. A normal AI, like the kind you use when you type into ChatGPT, waits for your question, gives you an answer, and stops. That's it. But an AI agent, that's a completely different beast. You give it a goal and it figures out the steps by itself, takes real actions, uses tools, checks its own results, and keeps going until the job is done, with almost zero handholding from you. Think of it like this. A chatbot is a calculator. An AI agent is an intern who actually gets things done. It can browse the web, write and run code, read and send emails, update databases, schedule meetings, and even coordinate with other AI agents, all on its own, while you focus on bigger things. Now here's where it gets really exciting, because this isn't just theory anymore. The numbers tell the whole story. According to Gartner, by the end of 2026, 80% of enterprise apps will have AI agents built directly into them. That's up from basically nothing just 2 years ago. Salesforce research found a massive 282% jump in AI agent adoption among enterprises over just the past year alone. And McKinsey, one of the most respected consulting firms in the world, estimates that AI agents could unlock up to $2.9 trillion in economic value by 2030. Let that sink in. $2.9 trillion. This isn't a buzzword anymore. This is a full-blown economic shift happening right now in real time. And it's not just stats on a slide. Real companies are already deploying AI agents at scale, and the results are pretty mind-blowing. Take Snowflake, the cloud data company. Their engineers now work alongside 3 to 4 AI agents every single day. Tasks like scanning dashboards, pulling data for analysis, and reviewing product designs are all handled by agents, which means their human engineers can focus purely on complex, high-value work. Then there's Salesforce, where a guy named Zach Stauber has a job title that literally didn't exist 2 years ago, Agent Manager. His entire role is managing a fleet of AI agents across customer support, sales, and marketing, and Replit, the popular coding platform, said that without AI agents handling support tickets, they would have needed 10 times more human agents to keep up with their users. 10 times. These aren't pilot programs. These are production deployments at serious, fast-growing companies. And it's only going to accelerate from here. So now the big question. What does all of this mean for you, especially if you're a student, a fresher, or someone actively prepping for placements? And this is the part I really want you to pay attention to. First, AI agent skills are becoming one of the hottest things you can have on your resume in 2026. Companies aren't just deploying these agents, they need people who can design, configure, manage, and audit them. That is a skill gap that exists right now, and you can start filling it today. Second, brand new job roles are emerging that didn't exist before. Agent manager, AI workflow designer, prompt engineer, AI governance lead. These are real roles they're being hired for, and they pay extremely well. Start keeping an eye on these. Third, and this is the honest truth, if you don't adapt, you risk being the person the agent replaces. Entry-level jobs that involve repetitive, process-driven tasks are already being automated. The smartest move you can make right now is to position yourself as the person who supervises and works alongside the AI, not the person competing against it. So to wrap it up, AI agents in 2026 are no longer a future prediction. They are here, they are working, and they are reshaping what a team looks like. The question isn't whether AI will be your coworker. At most big companies, it already is. The real question is, are you ready to work alongside it or even manage it? Let me know in the comments. I'd genuinely love to hear your take. If this video added value, smash that like button, subscribe to Placement Season for more AI and career content every single week, and I'll see you in the next one.